Hello and welcome to Chart TV for Thursday the 17th of November 2005. Today we're going to take a quick scan of some major global markets. Right, we'll start with the Nikkei in Japan and we'll just take a look at a couple of key levels. We can see here that we have support at 14,000, support at 14,000, support at 14,000, and that has now become resistance at 14,000. I think if we switch to the weekly, we can see that we've actually cracked 14,000, and we're looking. The high here was on the weekly chart was over 14,400, 14,449 to be exact, and that is in a very healthy uptrend. We're above the 30, 50, and 20 period moving averages and the 200 period. We're moving away from the 200 period, and the MACD is heading up. That is very bullish indeed. Let's switch to the daily, see what's going on there. Okay, we pulled back to the 50 period, taken off, pull back to the 50 period and taken off, and we're staying above 30, 50 and 20 and 200 period moving averages, and MACD's quite strong at the moment. So, but that the size of that up bar is very bullish indeed. So you see the size of that up bar compared to other bars, very, very bullish. Let's take a closer look at this. Basically, if the market is going to pull back, first support is 14,400 and second support is 13,800. If it falls through that, I'd say that it might find support at 13,200 roughly, or 13,000. But the strength of this uptrend, I don't see it doing that for a while. So that's a very, very healthy uptrend. What concerns me a little is the speed at which this is moving. I'm a little alarmed at it. It looks like it's gone too far, too fast. And if we switch to the monthly, you'll see that it has some very serious resistance to break through to decisively break through the 14,000 level. You can see that 14,000 is a very key psychological level, as it's tested it so many times over the years in this market. So I'm quite astonished at how quickly it's busted through that, and now we can look to either consolidate around this level, or the next target I'd have on this market would be well, we got a resistance here at roughly 21,000, but more close to home we got a resistance level at 18,000, and then here just a high we're attacking now of around 14,500. So we're pretty much there. We're pretty much at 14,500. But I wouldn't be too surprised to see this market consolidate this move, then move higher in the short term. Let's take a look at. I've been following oil quite closely lately. This is the light crude contract in US dollars per barrel, and monthly chart is bullish. This uptrend is a little alarming. It looks like a sort of a blow-off move. It looks like this market has moved rather far, rather fast. Like this looks like a stage 2 sort of move. Let's take a closer look at this. Okay, we can see each time the market has, interestingly, this the pullback from this high to this low was about 27%. From this high to this high, the retracement or pullback was around 20%, and from this